I'll get your shoes and your glasses. Yeah. What's your first name?
Frederico.
Frederico what?
Wolf.
Mr. Wolf, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney, have him or her present while you're being questioned. If you can't afford one will be pointed to you at a later time.
Can you listen to these?
Listen.
I can't feel my thumb.
That attorney would be appointed to you free of charge. If you can't afford it.
Lord.
You understand all that?
Please, sir, I didn't mean no harm tonight.
Frederico, did you understand what I said to you?
Yeah, but...
Frederico, listen. Why? Why all this?
Sir, I was just going home.
What are you on tonight, man?
Nothing.
Normal, listen, I stop 100 cars a month, and I don't ever see people act like this, okay? Unless they're on something.
No.
I mean, hey, I'm just trying to give you an excuse for why you acted all silly.
I didn't act silly.
Listen, man, from the beginning of that, I gave you straight, clear commands to step out of the car.
I did.
And put your hands on the car.
Okay.
And then you started jerking away and falling on the ground and trying to pull your hands in tight and doing all kinds of nonsense, throwing shit out the car. That's not normal, man. So I'm asking you why. Why'd you...
Sir, I threw the stuff out the car.
Yes, I know.
But I did not. I did whatever you told me to do.
Did it look like he did whatever we told him to do? Officer Swap?
I did. You said get out the car.
And I told you to put your hands on the car.
You said I did, sir.
Here's the thing.
Sir, I did.
When I start pulling people out of the car like that,
sir, I put my.
To go in slow motion.
I got out the car. You think I want y'all to shoot me?
I don't want to shoot anybody.
I mean, I don't want you to hit on me either.
Like.
I mean, we all.
Oh. Yeah, I know, man.
No.
But you start pulling your hands in. You've already thrown something out. How do I know you don't have a gun? Or...
Sir, you told me I put my hands up.
Listen, man. I'm just trying to figure out why you act like this.
Cause I'm nervous, sir, and I don't need. I don't want to go to jail.
Who cares? I don't care.
Sir, but you said it's a little bit of dope, but I'm going to jail for that little bit of dope.
Now, if it hadn't come flying out your window, and you just pulled over and been cool, you threw the car in the park, man, so fast that I thought the damn transmission was gonna fall out of it. I heard it clicking with my windows up.
I got insurance and all on that car.
Are you kidding me? And okay, so you're gonna tell me that you ain't smoked something or done something that would constitute why you would act like this tonight?
Sir, my heart. I'm going to jail.
You ain't been arrested since 2012.
Sir.
That's a long time ago, man.
He tried to eat it. I can see that.
Oh.
You got flakes on your lips.
Man, my lips is white. They chapped.
Well, there's spit on the bag.
Well,
because I know you saw me turn around because you sat at the green light after I was coming up behind you. You were watching me come. You're just going to get pulled over for speeding, and that was going to be it, man. I wouldn't even ask you if you had anything in the car. And you had to go and throw it at me.
Sir, I didn't throw nothing at you.
Not at me, but you threw it out in front of me.
Sir, please, can I get a citation?
Not now.
I mean,
sergeants and lieutenants.
Sir, my knees and all that all bruised up for something. What I mean,
I know.
I did exactly what.
No, you didn't. Federico, no, you didn't. All right, man. I just wanted to see if there was a reason for why you acted all silly. That's it, man.
Cause y'all scared me. Y'all scared me, man.
Okay.
With your guns out on me.
Yeah, you're right. But you didn't listen even with the guns out. So.
Yeah, I did listen.
No, you didn't.
I'm not crazy. I'm not.
Frederico, I think you're high, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I smoked some weed, sir.
Okay. That's it? You sure? There's something else in there.
What? No, sir.
You're acting all tweaky, man. You're not acting all mellow. Like
no, this how I act, sir, when I'm in trouble.
Lace it with something?
No.
Something else in the weed?
What? No.
Right.
Sir.